Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm making a healthy tropical dip. It has a mix of sweet, tangy and spicy taste. You could use as a spread and also goes well with rice varieties. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon located next to the subscribe button to stay connected. Let's get started. These are the ingredients we require: 1 cucumber, 2 tomatoes, 3 green chillies, 2 cloves of garlic, 4 slices of pineapple, 3 slices of bread, a tablespoon of each lemon juice and olive oil, a teaspoon of cumin seeds, half a teaspoon of salt and some coriander leaves. Let's add all these ingredients into a blender. 3 green chillies, 2 garlic cloves, 4 slices of pineapple, 3 slices of bread, a tablespoon of lemon juice, some olive oil, a teaspoon of cumin seeds, half a teaspoon of salt, half a cup of coriander leaves, 1 cucumber chopped, and 2 tomatoes chopped. Don't add water while grinding. Instead, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil to a fine paste. It will be good in the fridge for 4 to 5 days. This will come handy while packing sandwiches. It's a great refreshing dip for parties. This sauce can be used for steaks, kebabs and grills. Do try this and share your feedback in the comment section. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking!